In an incident triggered by strong winds and heavy rains, an old mango tree uprooted and crashed onto a car and electric poles in Aldona on Sunday evening. The fallen tree caused extensive damage to the car, resulting in a loss of over 5 lakh rupees. Additionally, the electric pole suffered damages, disrupting the power supply until repairs were completed. Fortunately, there were no injuries reported. Upon receiving the call, firefighters immediately rushed to the site to address the situation. However, due to low visibility in the darkness of the evening, they were unable to proceed with the operation. The firefighters returned to the site on Monday morning to clear the fallen tree.
राती आमकां 18:36 कॉल आयलें मँगो ट्री फॉलन आनी एक तिरफोळणीचें झाड गाडयेर पडलें म्हणून अल्दोना गर्ल्स स्कुला कडेन. सो आमी इमिडियटली टर्न आवट केलो आमच्या क्रू सकट आनी हांगा आयले जाल्यार पयले जाल्यार गाडयेचेर I-20चेर आंबो पडलेलो आनी तिरफोळणीचें झाड रस्त्याचेर इलेक्ट्रीक वायरीन रस्त्याचेर पडलेलें. सो आमी इलेक्ट्रीक वायरी वयले इमिडियटली कट केले कित्याक तेंकां लायट जाय आशिल्ली म्हणून आनी कट करून आमी हांगा आयले जाल्यार मँगो ट्री गाडयेचेर पडले. सो आमी रिस्की आसले आनी रातचे कट केले जाल्यार डॅमेज जावंक शकता म्हणून आमी ओनराक सरपंचाक पंच मेंबराक रिक्वेस्ट केले ते एग्री जाले की सकाळी कट करपाक. सो आमी सकाळी येयले आनी फूल ती गाडये वयले मँगोचे झाड आशिल्ले ते सेफली काडले गाडये वयले आनी डॅमेज कितेंच करच्या पयलीं आमी ते काडून रस्तो मोकळो केलो.
कितकें लॉस जालें?
लॉस एक्झॅक्ट हांव सांगूंक शकना गाडयेचे कितले ते. श्री S.A. कलंगूटकर, S.A. शेडगांवकर, B.S. कालोजी, B.R. पायणी, L.M. सालगांवकर, N.V. नरसे फायर क्रू येवन हांगासर इलेक्ट्रीक आनी पेट्रोल कटरान सगळे आमी मँगो ट्री कट I-20 वयले कट केले.
तुमचें नांव कितें?
हांव S.A. शेडगांवकर, लिडिंग फायरमॅन, ड्रायव्हर ऑपरेटर S.A. कलंगूटकर, फायर फायटर B.R. पायणी, फायर फायटर L.M. सालगांवकर, फायर फायटर B.S. कालोजी आणि फायर फायटर S.V. नरसे.
Wind that was blowing and the rains, and an old mango tree uprooted and fell on our car in Aldona, Gonkoi. And I am thinking there might be around 4 to 5 lakhs of expenditure with regards to getting the car sorted. It happened yesterday at around 7:38 in the evening.
So now what's happening?
So now we have the fire brigade that came in the morning. Because of better light, they would be able to assess the situation better, and hence they didn't do it last night. But they are managing to cut off the big mango tree and trying their best to lessen the damages on my car.
And yesterday around 7:30, while we were inside the house, there was a very loud sound. So we got very scared. It was like just for around 15 seconds or so, and we heard a lot of sound outside. So when we rushed outside, we realized that in the darkness, one of the biggest trees in the property fell over the inner road into the neighbor's compound. His car, which was parked outside, also got damaged quite a bit. Yeah. So yesterday the fire brigade was called, and they cut some of the other trees. There was a tree fallen in the adjoining lane. So they cleared that road so that the roads around will be little clear. Until today they have come to finally clear the whole road. Yeah.
What's the loss that you incurred?
We didn't incur much, but the tree belonging to us, so we have to see what's to be done now. And then the neighbor's car is also damaged quite a lot, so we have to coordinate and find out with insurance what they have to do and how they process this. Yes.
Prakash Kadekar for Herald TV.